Folsom Lake Ford, one of my dealerships, trying to sell a brand new car. They got dealer traded from a different Ford with this little beauty. Came with a nice little surprise. Customer is coming in 30 minutes to pick up the car. So I'm gonna try to fix it in less time than that. See if I can get, yeah, pretty nice one. Right, Ford Edge here, Folsom Lake Ford. Got this thing knocked out. Took me like just about 15 minutes to get that in there. Looks pretty nice. I will show you the natural reflection. It's about the stuff that the customer will see when they look at it. That's how these guys always take care of their customers, make sure they never sell stuff with dents in it, especially new cars. And all of it was fixed with this little guy, which we call a whale tail, because it was behind a brace. Had to slide it in the window and then get it behind that brace in there to push it out. So, all right, thanks for watching.